South Africa's hospitality sector is on the pathway to recovery, and we are proud to have stood by our clients in navigating these challenges. We are seeing significant attention and investment being channeled into enhancement of customer experience. Digital innovation means patrons can now enjoy streamlined stay via apps that power loyalty programs, provide contactless check-ins, showcase amenities, enable seamless access to concierge and in-room service, and provide digital wallet capabilities to pay meals, entertaining, and gaming. Increasingly, hospitality groups are also reimagining the overall value they offer visitors by augmenting hotel stays with a selection of carefully curated, authentic local experiences to rival disruptors such as Airbnb. In the short and medium term, repositioning efforts such as these may prove to be essential in the face of the dramatic drop-off in business travel and the rising cost of international airfares. The coming year will see an uptick in renewable energy investment following President Cyril Ramaphosa's announcement that eliminated the embedded generation licensing threshold, making it possible for business to make investments into uncapped alternative energy production. Our first-of-its-kind Power Pulse platform helps business navigate the complex world of commercial solar PV installations with an end-to-end legal, technical, and funding solution. In the hospitality sector, sustainability is no longer a nice-to-have. To appeal to the environmentally conscious traveller, our environmental, social, and governance NIC Finance enables us to partner with our clients in championing sustainability. In the normalization period following the pandemic, we expect seeing increased activity when it comes to consolidation and acquisition, as industry players look to stabilize and extend their portfolios. This is where our M&A team adds significant value by keeping an ear to the ground and taking a proactive approach in scouting out attractive opportunities for clients interested in acquiring or unbundling assets. In the post-pandemic environment, debt restructuring is also a key focus area as hospitality groups look to rebalance assets and invest in refurbishments. Hedging is also becoming a hot topic in our current environment of rising interest rates.